Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful. Mwah.
What's going on, everyone? Ivy back from the future, back from another dimension. Today we have STEM toys made by Jarrby. Thank you, Jarrby, for sending me these to share with the universe. Jarrby's toys help children simulate their imaginational skills, boost up their architectural skills, and build up their confidence. Wow. In front of us, we have Flower STEM Pad. If you want to go see the other packs that they sell, go to their website at jarrby.com. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But wait, it is not for building, it is also for learning colors and learn how to count numbers. Are you guys ready to open it up and see what I can create? Let's get started. Oh look, if you guys want to take your STEM toys on the go, there's a travel bag waiting for you so you can put your STEM toys inside. Now look at all these STEM toys. Wow, there are different shapes and different colors. Now let's see how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. Now let's create something. These are all my STEM toys. These are the extras, so let's put them in the bag. So let's show you what I made. So I made a single flower with the pink stem, and it's a blue. The next one that I made is this one. It has a dark green stem and red flowers, aka roses. Also, I made a third flower. It has a lighter green stem with a pink flower and a dark blue flower. And this is the last one that I made. And I made it like a frozen flower. So like it's all like icy cold. So I made like a light blue stem with dark blue flowers. And this one, I made a little robot dude. He's on like on a machine. And this is the robot guy who's wearing like a helmet. And he's like, I'm gonna go rule the world. So yeah, please don't rule the world. And last one, I made a horse for my unicorn to sit on it. So let's make her sitting down. Okay, her headband fell off. Now, put her on. Oh yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful. Mwah. Artwork.
Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these STEM toys made by Jarrby. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be part of the TV squad. If you want to get notified to my videos, press the little bell. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.